Looking for a quick look behind real work? Welcome to SkillZone. Over the next few minutes, you'll see how things are really made and built, from simple ideas to powerful machines. Ever seen bricks lay themselves? This is oddly satisfying. Even joints, clean lines. This is skilled brickwork. Two workers smooth fresh mortar at the same time. Their movements stay perfectly in sync. Simple teamwork turns wet concrete into a clean, satisfying surface. The material is spread, leveled, and textured by the worker. No automation, just technique. The design is cut, connected, and refined by hand. Precision comes from control, not speed. Hot roofing bitumen is poured onto the surface and spread evenly. It flows like oil on a hot pan. This stonemason found the most satisfying way to turn a heavy block into a perfect arch using only hand tools. These workers found the most creative way to get a perfectly straight cut using a wheelbarrow as a mobile base. This artist found the most mind-bending way to create a bottomless pit using only tiles and perfect geometry. Watching this stencil reveal is incredibly satisfying. It's the easiest way to get those flawless, clean grout lines. This painter found the most efficient way to get a realistic aged brick look using only by lightly gliding a sponge over the surface. Watching this gray asphalt disappear under a flawless layer of green paint is oddly satisfying. He makes spreading heavy glue look like he's painting a masterpiece. Just look at that texture. Watching him juggle that compound is pure art, but the way he buries the tape in one smooth motion is even better. He's transforming a plain pink wall into luxury silk. The way this material catches the light is absolutely flawless. This is how they paint a massive ship in a dry dock. One steady hand and a whole lot of red paint. This is how you build a pro-level skate park. It all starts with the perfect pour and a lot of hand finishing. Watching this giant drum turn raw concrete into a flawless, curved canal is pure therapy. It's so much faster than doing it by hand. Watching her cover this wall is so satisfying. One spray and a single glide turns a rough surface into a mirror-smooth finish. This craftsman found the most creative way to build a 3D chair illusion on the floor using only tiles, mortar, and perfect perspective. This mason found the most satisfying way to create a perfect brick semicircle using a central radius and precise diagonal cuts. Mastering the art of concrete finishing, she makes leveling these massive curbs look like a walk in the park. The way that Roller leaves a flawless pattern in one go is so satisfying to watch. Absolute precision. This mason found the ultimate way to stay productive in the snow, perfectly leveling massive ceramic blocks while the world freezes. Watching her handle these heavy blocks with such precision is pure therapy. These massive hydraulic rigs found the most powerful way to drill through solid rock using twin synchronized booms. You won't believe how this twisted log looks at the end. One pass through the cutters and it's a masterpiece. This team found the most ingenious way to build a massive brick dome without any internal support. The secret is using a guide string from the exact center to maintain a perfect radius, while each brick is tilted at a precise angle to work with gravity, not against it. This engineering giant found the most efficient way to move mountains by using a massive rotating wheel with buckets that never stop digging. No dust, no mess, just pure precision. This water-cooled wall saw makes heavy-duty demolition look like an art form. Forget manual saws. This automated tree trimmer is a game changer for keeping your garden in perfect shape without the effort. It looks simple, but this tool is a game changer for metalwork. Watch how those needles lock the shape for a 100% accurate cut. While the mobile base stays steady, the precision arm glides across the surface to ensure a level of consistency no human could reach by hand. Forget about sore shoulders. This homemade setup holds the drill against the ceiling. All you have to do is guide it from the floor. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and watch another video here.